Para sabihin daw niya sa mga kasama niya, huwag kayong pumunta dyan.
Okay.
So, kailangan, hindi siya masyadong namatay. So, he can still, you know, tell his friends the good news. Don't go in that house. Baka naman kasi tumakbo sa akin.
Hurry up, you're on cam. I got more memory here. Hello, you're just gonna hit it. It's not as if it's gonna jump on you or something.
It's a mortal sin, killing.
Killing a human is a mortal sin. But that's an insect. Hurry up. Go ahead.
Sabi ko sa'yo, magtago ka na. Go! Go!
Why are you letting it go? Goodness.
Kasi I don't wanna kill it. You go! Not there! Hey!
See, you're too slow. It's now gone. Careful. You don't want to break anything.
Saan na siya, Mark?
Aba, malay ko, ikaw ang nandyan. Nasa likod yan ng ano ba tawag dyan? Ang lalagyan na yan.
Hindi naman siya
It's hiding from behind. I'm sure it is hiding.
Can you just go? Hey! Wala na siya.
Yeah, nagtatago yan sa ilalim.
Sana nga, alisin ko pa to.
Hala, kilala ka na niyan. The cockroach knows you, so while you're sleeping, it'll come to you and bite you or something.
May hole siya. May hole siya doon.
May bahay siya dyan.
Hindi, may hole yung tapos
Yung tiles?
Oo, pumasok
can
siya
you turn on the lights?
Well, hindi.
It's not working. Oh, it's here. Okay. There we go. Much better. So where did it hide? Can you show us, Iris?
So, kailangan niyo pakita.
Yeah.
There, oh.
Iris. Why is there a hole in there?
Well, I don't know. I'm not the one who built that.
Okay, well, too bad. You know.
Too bad. The cockroach,
The cockroach got away.
Because you're too
Because it was just in your hands. You could have just hit it. It was just
mag-jump
there, but...
and going to...
Anyway, well, this was a very good video footage of Iris's what? One of Iris's greatest fears, killing a cockroach.
It's not the greatest fear.
Oh, one of your fears, then.
It's not my fear.
Oh, yeah, right. We have the evidence.
I don't want to do it.
So you fear doing it. Then why didn't you do it?
I don't have fears.
You're right. Whatever. We have the evidence. It's all on video.
Manang, pumasok ka.
Nah, this is all about Iris killing a cockroach.
It's always about me.
It's good. It's always good. Do you want to say a message to anybody online?
Don't mention it.
Okay, never mind. Mana?
You can listen to my song.
I'm listening while I'm filming.
Oh.
What did you say again? Oh. You should have said that on cam. Can you do it again with that facial expression?
Alam mo naman, gagawin ko.
Oh. Anyway, that's enough. I think we should be getting home.
Yeah, you should.
It's already 12 o'clock in the evening. In the morning.
Malay mo, may message ako sa'yo.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. This is me. Hello. I'm just
a normal boy.
Just a normal guy. That's all. Nothing special unlike
Sending
this person
a normal
in front
girl
of me.
home.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Stop the video. Good night, Iris.
Kid night.
Kid night?
Kid night.
You said kid night? What's that?
I said good night.
Oh, I thought I heard kid night. Okay, well, that's all there is. Where's Bench? Can we just take a shot of Bench? There's Bench.
I'm gonna clean up.
Yeah. Okay, bye, Iris. Bye, everyone.